Okay, let's just jump right into this video. I have been wanting to try out this Revlon brush blow dryer on my hair, on my daughter's hair. So I figured, why not use it on my daughter's hair since I've already done some stuff to my head. My head is another story. We'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, I wanted to try it out. I wanted to see if what I've videos that I've watched, if they're actually telling the truth about the brush, or you know, I just wanted to try it out for myself because that's what I like to do. I don't always go off of what other people are saying. So I picked up this brush. Also, I will let you guys know if it's worth the $39.99 or whatever. I'll leave all of that information below, but I'll let you guys know if it's worth the money, if it's worth your time, and if it's better than a regular blow dryer with the nozzle, because it's a brush. So I'm just going to show you guys how it works on my daughter's hair, and then I'll come back and give you guys my honest opinion about this particular brush. Okay, so I enjoyed using it on my daughter's hair. It took the blow drying time down a lot. Now, would I, well, okay, and another thing, I do like that it gets in the roots, but will I purchase this again? Like, if it broke, would I go out and purchase it again? Probably not. I can use my blow dryer with the nozzle and get the same results. Yeah, I like it. I enjoyed using it. I enjoyed being able to hold it like this and just brush through. My arm didn't hurt like it does when I use a regular blow dryer, but this wouldn't be something that I will go out and purchase again if this one broke on me. Ain't doing it, okay? I mean, it's not like you break the bank by purchasing this item, $39.99, but it ain't like, oh, my hair is just like super straight and I could just run the iron through it one time. I mean, in my opinion. So, you know, just letting you guys know how I honestly feel about this particular item. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you enjoy watching it, don't forget to subscribe and also press the like button. And I'll see you guys with another video. Oh, and also I will be doing a video, don't know when, but I'll be doing a video on some giveaways. It won't be anything towards natural hair. It'll be more so towards shoes and clothes, but it's because I have these shoes and clothes that I've purchased, and and I don't wear them. I can't wear them. My God, and I want to give them away. So yeah, it'll be coming up, but I can't tell you when. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.